Hello children, I hope you all are fine. I'm your Miss Neelam teacher of class Junior KG from TODDLEDOM school. Children, today we are going to do no fire cooking activity. Yes, are you all excited? Yes, so my little chef are going to make biscuit ladoos. Why we are making ladoos? Because it's Ganesh Chaturthi. Yes. So let us know something more about Ganesh Chaturthi. Yes, why and how do we celebrate? Okay. And after that, we'll begin with our activity. Okay. So children, get ready. Now let's see. Ganesh Chaturthi. This festival mostly comes in the month of August or September. It marks one of the most auspicious festivals of Hindus. It's celebrated in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Goa, Karnataka, almost all over India. Ganesh Chaturthi, also known as Vinayaka Chaturthi. Devotees bring home idol of Lord Ganesh to worship, eat good food, enjoys with friends and family, and in the end immerse the idol. This festival is celebrated for 10 to 11 days with full of joy and devotion. Mostly small children like to celebrate this festival. Ganpati Bappa likes modak and laddus. So, children, now here we are going to make today biscuit laddus for our Ganpati Bappa. So, children, now let's get ready with all our ingredients. Let's see. Hello children, today we are going to do no fire cooking activity. So children, as you know, today we are going to make biscuit laddus. Okay, so here you can see I have taken hide and seek biscuit. Okay, one packet of biscuit, any of your choice. Now what we are going to do is, after we put the biscuit, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Okay. After that, your mama is going to grind and give you. Okay, so here we are done with this. Okay, this way the powder should be ready. Okay, now children, what we are going to do is, we are going to take a bowl. Okay, here we are going to take a bowl. In this, we are going to put this powder, biscuit powder, in the bowl. Okay. Now, what we are going to do, once we are done with this much, now we are going to take 1 tablespoon of ghee. Okay, we are going to take ghee. This is 1 tablespoon ghee. Okay. And now we are going to mix it with our hand. Mix it well and make a dough. Okay, we are going to make a dough of this. So here children, our dough is ready. Okay, when you bind it, see to it, if you need, you can add more little ghee or a little milk. Okay, so now of this we are going to make small laddus. Okay, so what we are going to do, with the help of our palm, we are going to take a little and now we are going to roll it. If you are not able to roll it, you can press it this way with your little fingers. So children, here you can see there are so many laddus. So now I hope even you all are making this and you all are enjoying this activity. My little chef are preparing biscuit laddus. Okay, keep doing good work. And here our laddus are ready. Now for the decoration, here I am using almond small pieces I have did. So I am going to use this almond. Okay, for the decoration. It's your choice. You can use even cashew nut or you can even use tutti frutti. Okay, anything of your choice. Okay, so now let's do that. Here I'm going to use this almond and place it over here. This way. Okay. You can use any other dry fruits. So children, here our biscuit laddus are ready. Children, I hope you all enjoyed our no fire cooking activity. So children, keep learning. Till then, take care. See you in your next class. Bye-bye.